Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to start with the Figma. Okay, Figma is the basic important information or tool every developer must know or UX UI designer must know. So let's start with creating the free account where we have lots of features provided by the Figma, but some of the restrictions are there, but we can use a Figma very efficiently to create our designs. Okay, bring it all the imaginations into the reality wireframes. Okay, so let's start with the Figma. So go to this Figma website first. Okay, so we have to create the login over here. Okay, let's get started. So here just I'm going to log in with the Google account or sign up with the Google account. So just we have to select non-professional things over here. Okay, for personal use. Okay, if you check this checkbox, you will get information mails continuously, so your inbox get full. So uncheck this and you are ready to use the Figma. Okay, so here it is opening. So one important information for this I want to share that one team you can create. Okay, for means you can create one project where you can share that design with one more person or one more email ID. They can edit that email and that design. Okay, so I'll do it later. Start for free. Here you can see unlimited files in draft. Okay, 3 design files and 3 FigJam files and 1 project and 30 days version history. Okay, 30 days history we can get it over here, but I'll select the free and I'll get started on my own. Okay, so no need of any tutorials for me, so I'm going to tell you how we can start with this. So this is just simply we can see all the things are set now. We have created account and we have new design file, FigJam and import. We can import some exported files also, and if you want to upgrade we can upgrade with by seeing the plans. Okay, team project. Now I'm not going to create any project for the team and not going to create the team also, just simply I'm going to create one new design. Okay, here I'm going to share some basic concepts how to start this thing and all. Okay, this is the first chapter where we can see the many features like overview. Okay, this we can call it as the introductory part. And one more kind request to all the viewers that every video which we are creating, I am creating, it requires the time and effort. Okay, for that effort, if you want to pay the value, okay, just one kind request to you guys: subscribe and like the video and watch the complete tutorial. In the end I'm going to share something like what will be my next step in the video, and watch it completely till end. Okay, here you can see layers, assets, pages. Okay, layers, still no layers are there, one page is there. Assets, no assets we have created and one page is there. So if you want to go to back to file, directly we can click here and go to back to file. Just you have to title it. Okay, this is my design. Okay, You can rename, you can provide the name to your project file. Here are some basic tools I'm going to introduce you before starting the actual or next lesson. Okay, you have to go through this and you will get to know the next process and all whatever I'm going to proceed. Okay, before that, setting the screen in the sense which kind of device you are going to use to, like if you are going to if you are creating any mobile app and you have to show it in a mobile preview. Okay, if you are using any desktop application, you have to show it in a desktop screen. So for that purpose, this is the best and basic and very important part where we have to concentrate that device. Select the device. Okay, here I'm going to select one desktop size here. Okay, MacBook Air I will select. Its size is 1280 and 832. Okay, this device I have selected, and you can change the background color. While showing the demo, it will look like this, and this black screen you can change it to any required color if you want it. Okay, here I'm going to select this now and close it. And basically, which where we have selected the MacBook Air, so for each page which we are going to create, web page, one frame we have to create. Consider dashboard I'm creating. Just I will select here, and no need of drawing here. Okay, if you draw the frame, it will take the size as, I means it will not, you will not get to know exact size. If you start watching the preview in that uh, model which we have selected, okay, it will not give the correct view. Let me show you here. And one more important point, that you should have the highly configured, means RAM and graphics must be there. My system is a little bit slow, and you should have the best internet connection with the speed. Okay, now you can see here I have created one frame whose size is around 342 by 230. Okay, and I'm going to show that screen in MacBook Air Pro. Okay, as I've selected this one here, you can see, and MacBook Air have the size of 1280 by 832. Okay, so that's why it is not giving the proper view. Here you can see only this much box we have created, that is frame. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll delete this one, and if you want to create the frame, simply press F or click this button, and just you have to select the desktop, and here you'll get the MacBook Air. Okay, just you have to click it, automatically that frame will be added over here. And now we can see here to check whether screen is perfectly created or not. Okay, what we'll do, we'll add some shapes to it, and now this outline of the frame, until you design completely, you can put the outline to the frame, like go in design and select the stroke. Okay, select the stroke and put it some line color, light color you can put, and one more shape I will draw here to show that it is correct, exactly fitting into the screen. Okay, now we'll check with this. Just you go here and update, the screen will be updated automatically. Now you can see here added two boxes over there, it is fitting exactly to that frame. So that is why selecting the prototype where you are going to show the preview on which device, and selecting the frame is very important before starting any design. Don't forget that. And some of the basic concepts I will tell now. Okay, what all the things are there, what in tool, what all the options are there and all. Okay, this section and scale I'll let you know in next classes, but here is the important part, that is creating the shapes, adding the image and polygon, star, everything, arrow, line, everything, whatever things are needed. You can use some of the shortcuts already been mentioned here. Okay, here if I want to add create a circle. Now while creating the circle, if you hold the shift key, okay, it will not change the ratio of that shape. Okay, exactly in that shape only it will come. And once if you want to create the shape, any other shape, and rectangle, it should be rectangle only, then you can drag it by holding the shift key. Okay, these are the very important point which you should know. And this is the shape tool, or you can draw the using this pen, you can draw the shape. Like if you click and okay, now you can see this here, this simply one shape I have created. Click on done, and now we can fill it with some color. And if we don't want to have the border, we'll remove the border. Effects like shadow effect, here you can see the shadow effect is been visible to this here. And this is the basic steps I wanted to tell. And here text tool is there. Wherever you need the text, go, and alignments automatically this panel will change according to the work which we are doing. Okay, now if I want to change the text font size, font style, okay, here I can select the font. Okay, now this is a fresh account, so it is asking for use the local font also. So locally installed which all the fonts are there, that also it will read and take it into the account. Okay, so here we can see, just I have selected the font, and this is my dashboard. Okay, select it. Simply all everyone know Microsoft Office and all means changing the font style, everybody knows it. So here we have created. Okay, now we can see the preview over here. Okay, this is the preview. Now one more thing, that you can share this link, who all are having this link, they can see the design. Okay, they can check the preview of the wireframe over here. Okay, this is all about the Figma basics. And here you can see hand button. Like if you select the hand, you can easily pan the screen. And one more important point, that if you select, if you have selected the pick tool, just hold the control key and scroll down and scroll up, which will uh, zoom in and zoom out this screen. And hold the shift key and scroll down and scroll up, it will scroll the screen horizontally. Okay, and if you press alt and scroll down and scroll down, it will scroll the window vertically. Okay, these are the shortcuts you can see. And fonts, other things like alignment and other things, I'll let you know in next classes. And this will be the free of cost course for everyone. You will definitely like it. And if you like this video, and somewhere if it is helpful for you, at least 1% also, don't forget to like to my channel. Okay, next is this add comment. If you want to add any comment to any element, okay, just click here and you can add the comment. Okay, now if you select the pick tool, here you can see this comment is been added over there. Okay, whenever we are watching this preview, that comment will not be visible here, but in design it will be visible. If you want to share this to someone with editing access, okay, they'll get to know what exactly they have to do, what they have done and all. Okay, here we can close this comment. It will be visible like this. Okay, we can hide the comment. Okay, next is what, here is the asset. Okay, simply if I want to create any component, in next class I will let you know the component. That is the heart of this any designs. Okay, if you have created any component here, that component will be added over here. Okay, it will be added over here. Next page, if you want to create one more page, directly you can click here and create one more page. There you can have the fresh design again. If you want to change in this design, directly you can select Control A, which will select all design, and copy it, and we can paste it in this screen, so that in that copy, if you want to do any changes, you can do it. Here other elements like aligning, horizontally distributing, and sizing component, vertical, horizontal, each and every components I am going to tell you in next classes. Don't miss the next class. So, and first class also. Okay, watch it completely. uh, Next is what, if you want to go to files, this created file will be stored here, my design. Okay, directly you can click over here and your design will be open. If you want to share this, share your work to your client or any other team member, you can check this here, copy this link and paste it somewhere in other tab. You can see that same design will be previewed here. It is loading now. So here you can see our screen is visible in laptop. While showing the demo, you can resize, means maximize the window, and close the sidebars and all. Now you are ready to show the demo. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. In next video I will show you how to create the hover effect for cards while doing the uh, dashboard and all. Okay, and I'm going to tell you how to insert the icons using fonts. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't press the bell icon, so that future videos you will get notified and you can see the video, and like it and share also. If your friends, any client is needed this information, you can share with them. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.